Play along. Pretend to agree or accept something in order to keep someone happy or to get more information. I disagreed with the idea, but I had to play along because everyone else liked it. Play around. Be silly. The children were playing around and being annoying. Oh, come on, Tina. We are just playing around. We didn't mean it. Play around. To have a romantic or sexual affair with someone or person in general. Kelly found out that her husband had been playing around with Susan. I can't believe that Roger is playing around. I played around a lot at college. Play at. Pretend to be something. He just plays at being a lawyer. He never wins a case. You are not fixing the car. You are just playing at repair work. Stop playing at doing the dishes and get the job done. Play away. To have a sexual relationship with someone other than one's romantic partner. Deep down, he knew she had been playing away for years, but he couldn't bring himself to confront her about it. He travels abroad a lot, and his wife thinks he plays away. Play back, listen or watch something you've recorded. They played the interview back during the trial so the jury could hear the defendant's reaction to the question. We played the recording back to see if it was okay. Play down. Try to make something seem less important. The government has tried to play down the importance of the minister's resignation. The pharmaceutical company tried to play down the harmful side effects of its new medication. Play off. Play a game to decide who the winner is. The game ended in a draw, so they'll have to play the tie of next weekend to declare a winner. With 3 wins apiece, the 2 teams will play off this evening for the championship title. Play off. Make people compete against each other so that you benefit. He played them off against each other to get the best deal. Play on. Continue playing sport, thought there might be a reason to stop. It looked like a foul, but the referee told them to play on. The poker game became so intense that we played on until 3 o'clock in the morning. Play on. Continue playing music. Can you play upon this instrument or only the one you are holding? I can't play on this. It's broken. The band played on for another hour. Play on. Exploit a weakness. The president played upon the fear of new attacks to instigate new laws, giving her huge amounts of unrestricted power. They are just playing on our fears to get us to do what they want. Play out. Progress. Often till it finishes. Let's see how things play out. It's everyone's guess who will win at this point. We'll just have to see how the election plays out. Play out. Pretend that something is real and reduce its effect. Computer games allow people to play out their violent urges. Play out. Play something to the end. Rain stopped them playing the game out. The whole incident is about to play out. Then it all will be forgotten. When the event plays out, everything will return to normal. Play out. To unwind, unfold, or unreel something. Please play some more rope out. They played out many feet of cable. When he hooked the swordfish, his line rapidly played out. Play up. Behave badly. The children played up all evening and drove the babysitter mad. Play up to. Flatter someone. It won't do any good to play up to me. I refuse to agree to your proposal. I played up to him and he still wouldn't give in to me. Play up to. Behave in a way expected. He's got a reputation for being trouble and plays up to it. Play up to. Exploit a weakness. They are playing upon people's concerns to get their way. Play with. Touch and move something to occupy your hands. Stop playing with your hair. Get your hands out of your pants and stop playing with yourself. Play with. Not eat much of a meal. I wasn't hungry, so I just played with the food. Play with. Consider something, but not seriously. We played with the idea, but decided against it.